Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, we'll walk you through how to set up and customize the image and video slider section. The image and video slider is a versatile media section that allows you to showcase a combination of images and videos in a horizontally scrollable format. It's perfect for product features, unboxing videos, multiple product angles, and storytelling visuals, all in one clean, space-saving layout. Let's get started. Accessing the section. To access the image and video slider section, start by opening your customized Debutify theme. Next, go to Template and locate the image and video slider section. To enable or disable this feature, go to Theme Settings. Then open Enterprise Widgets. Once enabled, return to the template and select the image and video slider section. To add it, click Add Section, search for Image and Video Slider, and select it. After adding the section, you'll be able to customize all available settings. Under Show On, you can choose which devices will display the testimonial section: desktop, mobile, and both. Use container size to control how wide the image and video slider section appears on the page. Default keeps standard spacing on both sides of the section. Full expands the content to full width, removing left and right spacing for a bold, wide visual effect. You can enable or disable background overlay depending on your design preference. Choose how your image ratio appears across the section. Available options: Inherit, 16:9, 3:2, 4:3, 1:1, 3:4, 2:3, and Circle. Use crop position to control how your image is framed within the selected ratio. This lets you decide which part of the image stays in focus when cropping is applied. You can choose from Inherit, top left, top center, top right, middle left, middle center, middle right, bottom left, bottom center, bottom right. For desktop devices, you can choose between 1 to 6 columns to control how your content is displayed. For mobile devices, you can optimize the layout for smaller screens. 1 column, best for readability and smooth vertical scrolling. 2 columns, a more compact layout that displays additional content without overwhelming the screen. You can also enable center content to keep your layout visually balanced and aligned on mobile devices. Enhance your section's visual appeal with background patterns, designed to add depth, texture, and personality to your storefront. Choose None to hide the background pattern or explore a variety of styles, including curved grid, rings, diamond grid, quatrefoils, hexagons, intersecting circles, brick wall, formal invitation, Jupiter, YYY, temple, and lips. From subtle geometric textures to bold decorative designs, each pattern brings its own distinctive character to help you create the perfect look for your storefront. All background patterns come with the same set of customization options, giving you full control over their appearance. You can select a color that matches your store's branding, ensuring the pattern blends seamlessly with your overall design. Adjust the size to control how large or small the pattern appears. You can set a value between 4 pixels and 100 pixels, allowing for anything from fine, subtle textures to bold, eye-catching visuals. You can also fine-tune the opacity, with values ranging from 1% to 100% to control the transparency of the pattern. Lower opacity creates a soft, subtle background effect, while higher opacity makes the pattern more prominent and visually striking. Under Enable slider, you can choose where the image and video slider will be displayed. Both devices slider will be visible on desktop and mobile. Desktop-only slider will appear only on computers and laptops. Mobile-only slider will appear only on phones and tablets. None slider will not appear anywhere effectively hidden. When autoplay is enabled, the slider scrolls automatically. Adjust the autoplay speed to control how fast it moves. Enable loop to make the slider continuously cycle. Show dots enables navigation dots below the slider for easy slide switching. Show arrows enables left and right arrows for smooth navigation between slides. Use arrow position to control where the navigation arrows appear. Middle. Arrows appear on the center left and center right sides of the slider. Bottom. Arrows appear lower on the slider area, aligned toward the bottom. For styling, select arrow color as either Inherit to use your theme's default color, or Custom to choose your own. You can also set a custom arrow color and a custom arrow background color for complete design control. Match the image and video slider section to your store's branding with color schemes, including light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background, or custom. Create your own color palette for full control over the section's appearance. Adjust top padding to control the space above the section content. Choose from Inherit, None, Small, Medium, Large, or Custom. If you select Custom, you can manually set a value between 0 pixels and 100 pixels. Similarly, bottom padding lets you control the space below the section using the same preset or custom options. You can enhance your section with blocks such as Advanced Double Button, Caption, Description, Double Button, Icon, Icon with Text, Image, Single Button, Subtitle, and Title. Each block comes with its own customization options, giving you full control over your layout. You can add block and select Image Block from the list. Once added, you can fully customize the block to match your design and content needs. Start by uploading an image that visually represents your product, feature, or content. Adding a link to make the image clickable, directing users to a product page, collection, or external URL. Next, enhance your content presentation. Enter heading text to introduce the image or highlight key information. Add a description to provide additional context, details, or storytelling around the visual. Then refine the layout and structure. Set text alignment left, center, or right to control how your content is positioned within the block and ensure visual balance across your design. Finally, add emphasis and branding elements. Add badge text to highlight important labels. Set badge alignment left, center, or right to position the badge exactly where it best fits your layout and design style. You can add block and select the video block from the list. Once added, you can fully customize it to match your store's design and content. Start by uploading your video. Enable video looping if you want the video to replay continuously, or disable it to play only once. Enable muted autoplay to have the video start playing automatically without sound, or disable it to require users to start playback manually. Enable play and pause on click to let customers control playback by clicking the video. Disable this option if you don't want click-to-play functionality. Enable button ripple animation to display an animated ripple effect on the play button, or disable it to hide the animation. Enable display mute/unmute button to allow customers to control the video's audio, or disable it to hide the mute and unmute button. Enable display timeline to show the video's progress bar and playback controls, or disable it to hide the timeline. Enter a description to provide additional information or context for the video. Choose the text alignment that best fits your layout by selecting left, center, or right. Finally, add a link to make the video clickable, allowing customers to navigate to a product page, collection, or any external website when they interact with the video. And that's it. Your image and video slider section is now ready to go. If you need any help, feel free to contact the Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.